Xbox prices skyrocket. Tariff troubles hit gaming market. Xbox consoles see prices hike amid market conditions. Microsoft announced Thursday that it raised prices on its Xbox consoles and accessories, just weeks after the Trump administration announced its tariffs. Phil Barker/Future Publishing via Getty Images. The ripple effects of the Trump administration's tariffs on foreign goods, particularly tech, have come for parts of the gaming market. Microsoft raised the US and Canada prices of its Xbox consoles, controllers, and other accessories Thursday, citing market conditions and the rising cost of development. The cheapest model available, the Xbox Series S, is now $379.99, an $80 jump, or 28% increase from its previous price. The most expensive model, the Xbox Series X, saw a $100 jump, or 20% increase, and now costs $599.99. Xbox Series S and X availability may continue to change over time depending on the retailer and by country. It added, the support page did not directly mention the tariffs hitting countries such as China, which manufacture the chips and other components for the systems. However, economic experts have warned that tech products would likely see high increases. Guangzhou, Guangdong, China, October 3, 2019. Customers playing in Xbox One games at a Microsoft retail store in Guangzhou. Photo by Alex Tai/Sopa Images/Lightrocket. Via Getty Images, Sopa Images/Sopa Images/Lightrocket via Get. We understand that these changes are challenging, and they were made with careful consideration given market conditions and the rising cost of development. Looking ahead, we continue to focus on offering more ways to play more games across any screen and ensuring value for Xbox players. Microsoft said on its support page, prices for official Xbox controllers have also been affected as the first-party gamepads, which typically retail for $59.99, will cost $5 more. Microsoft, however, noted that prices for some of its controllers, such as the adaptive controller and adaptive joystick for disabled players, will not change. Xbox players who already have a console won't be able to escape the hikes if they're looking to pick up the latest titles this holiday season. Microsoft said that its first-party games sold during that time will see a $10 increase in retail for $79. No specific date for the pricing change has been released. That Microsoft's move comes weeks after Nintendo announced it was keeping the US price of its upcoming Switch 2 system at $449.99, but was raising the price on controllers and additional accessories. One day you will probably subscribe to this channel, and subscribe now.